Hi Achievers! Does it feel bad not knowing how Russian adjective endings change based on gender? It's normal to feel that way, even for native speakers. So keep watching and we'll figure it out together. Today we'll cover all three genders of плохой, which is Russian for bad, with common phrases from the hospitality industry. What's something you like about staying in a hotel? Let me know in the comments and let's check in. Номер, or hotel room, is the noun of masculine gender, and it goes with the adjective плохой, with ой at the end. A bad hotel room is плохой номер. Next we have еда, or food. It's a noun of feminine gender, and it goes with the adjective плохая. Bad food is плохая еда. Our last example is of neuter gender, обслуживание, which means service in Russian. Here we'll use adjective плохое, with ое at the end. Bad service is плохое обслуживание. That last one was a mouthful, wasn't it? Let's review what we've learned. Feel free to take notes in the comments and let me know if you have any fun stories about restaurant service. A bad hotel room is плохой номер. Номер is of masculine gender, so we use it with плохой, with ой at the end. A bad hotel room is плохой номер. Bad food is плохая еда. Еда is of feminine gender, so we use it with плохая, with ая at the end. Bad food is плохая еда. Bad service is плохое обслуживание. Обслуживание is a noun of neuter gender, and we use it with плохое, with ое at the end. Bad service is плохое обслуживание. How do you like the service this video is providing? If you are enjoying it so far, please give it a like so that more students see it on YouTube. Now let's review the endings. Do you remember what's used with еда? Плохой, плохая, or плохое? Еда is of feminine gender, so we use плохая with еда. Плохая еда. Do you know what goes with номер, or hotel room? Плохой, плохая, or плохое? Номер is of masculine gender, and we use it with плохой, with ой at the end. A bad hotel room is плохой номер. What about обслуживание, or service? Do we use it with плохой, плохая, or плохое? Обслуживание is of neuter gender, so it goes with плохое. Bad service is плохое обслуживание. How would you say bad service in Russian? Плохое обслуживание. What about a bad hotel room? Плохой номер. Do you know what's Russian for bad food? Плохая еда. Do you remember what ending goes with еда, or food? It's ая, плохая, плохая еда. What about обслуживание, or service? It's ое, плохое. Bad service is плохое обслуживание. What about номер, or hotel room? It's ой, плохой. Плохой номер. So this was Russian adjective declension. Did it feel good or bad? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn about verb endings next, you'll love this video up here. I can't wait to see you there or in another video on A+ Russian.